Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to TikTok ads for USA audience targeting step by step clearly. Visit the TikTok ads homepage. Click on the Create an Ad button. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaign tab. Click on the Create Campaign button. Choose your advertising objective from the available options. Set your campaign name and budget. Select the targeting option to focus on a USA audience. In the targeting settings, choose Location. Set the location to the United States. Further refine your audience by selecting demographics, interests, and behaviors. Proceed to the ad group stage. Set your ad placements according to your preferences. Choose your bidding strategy and budget for the ad group. Next, design your ads by selecting Create Ad. Upload your video or image content for your advertisement. Write engaging ad copy to capture the attention of your audience. Review your ad settings and targeting options. Make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. Finally, click on the Submit button to launch your TikTok ads campaign targeting a USA audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.